Hello, my name is Arda, and in this video presentation, I'm going to show you the assignment 12 that assignment 12 I made a workflow in Orange for information technology course, and I downloaded the in restaurant interview dataset, and here there are instructions for this assignment. For this assignment, we need to, for example, make some changes in our data set. So I downloaded my data set, and I removed the first 100 reviews of my data set. I mean restaurant reviews. So I removed the first 100 reviews, and I just left the rest of that and changed the name of dataset. As you can see, my dataset is trained. So here I have 900 reviews, as you can see, and uh, the scores are here, 0 or 1. 1 is for positive reviews and 0 is negative reviews. And also, I removed the first 100 reviews and copy and paste that in another Excel sheet, and change the name. And I chose a test. I chose test as a name of new Excel sheet. So I removed the scores, and I just left the reviews. And as you can see, we have 100 reviews here. And then I chose a corpus widget, and I chose train data set here. And then I connected to pre-processed text, and then bag of words, select columns. As you can see here, for example, I remove score and put that in target variables. Scores are those 0 and 1 numbers. And then I connected to logistic regression and nomogram. Nomogram actually shows the key words that are important for identifying negative or positive uh, reviews by Orange. And then I connected logistic regression to test and score. You see the number AUC is less than 70%, it's 49%. So I think Orange doesn't do a good job for analyzing data set, and I think it, I think it's not a good analysis, and we cannot rely to Orange to analyze our data set, because as you can see, for example, randomly I just removed 100 reviews, and I left 900 reviews, and then as you can see, for example, the number that I got is less than 70%, so it's not a reliable number. And then I chose corpus widget again, but as you can see, I chose another data set, tests. For this data set, as you can see, for example, here, I removed scores and I left just reviews. So I wanted to know Orange can identify positive or negative reviews from each other. So I connected corpus widget to predictions, and here For example, I want to check if Orange can figure out the difference between negative and positive reviews. So let's see. Here, best breakfast buffet. So it's a positive review, and Orange can identify that correct because the score is 1. And then we can see, for example, always a great time at this place. So you can see the score is 0, but it is a positive review. So Orange cannot identify correctly the reviews as positive or negative. So this is not a reliable software. Service was very prompt. So you can see, for example, the logistic regression is 0, and while it should be 1, not 0, because this is a positive review. So, wow, love this place, 0. So you see, we can conclude that Orange cannot identify um, the positive and negative reviews from each other, and I think Range doesn't do a good job in analyzing reviews.